In this lecture, we are going to draw this isometric drawing from its orthographic view. First, active isometric drafting. Select isoplane left. Make sure ortho is on. Select line. Select first point. Give length of 50 mm, 10 mm, 50 mm close to this point. Now draw from this point. Change the plane to isoplane top. Give length of 65 mm. Change the plane. Give length of 40 mm, 10 mm, 50 mm, 75 mm. Now we will draw this part which is 20 mm in height and 15 mm in width. Now draw from this point, give length of 20 mm, change the plane, give length of 15 mm, 20 mm, 15 mm. Change the plane, give length of 10 mm, 15 mm. Change the plane, give length of 20 mm. Now draw line from this point to this point, type CO for copy command. Select this line, enter. Now give distance of 10 mm, enter. Now draw this part. Now start from this point, give length of 20 mm close to this point. Now start from this point, give length of 10 mm. Now start from this point close to this point. Now start from this point, give length of 65 mm, 40 mm. Now draw this part. Start from this point, change the plane, give length of 20 mm, change the plane, give length of 65 mm, change the plane, give length of 40 mm. Change the plane, give length of 10 mm, 40 mm. Change the plane, give length of 65 mm. Now draw a line between these 2 points and these 2 points. Now close these 2 points, enter. Now trim command, enter, and trim all unnecessary parts. Now delete these lines. So this is our final sketch.